What do you do every day? It sounds like a simple question, right? But think about it. Our daily routines tell the story of our lives. In German, sharing your routine is like offering someone a glimpse into your world. Ready to tell your story in German? Let's learn how to talk about your daily routine using the present tense. It's easier than you think. German verbs are the action heroes of your daily routine. You'll use verbs like aufstehen, to get up, frühstücken, to have breakfast, arbeiten, to work, and schlafen, to sleep. Don't forget about those tricky separable verbs. For example, aufstehen is separated in a sentence. Ich stehe 7 Uhr auf, I get up at 7 o'clock. See how off went to the end? And what about those moments when you're doing something for yourself? That's where reflexive verbs come in. Think sich waschen, to wash oneself. Or sich anziehen, to get dressed. Time is another key ingredient. At, am, on, morgens, in the morning. Mittags, at noon. Abends, in the evening. These words paint a vivid picture of your day. Imagine this. You wake up at 7 a.m., have a quick breakfast, and head to work. In German you'd say, Ich stehe 7 Uhr auf, frühstücke schnell und gehe zur Arbeit. See how those simple verbs and time expressions bring your routine to life? Now, let's add some more details. What do you eat for breakfast? Do you take the bus or ride a bike to work? Remember, the more specific you are, the more interesting your story becomes. Your daily routine exists within a larger context, the days, weeks, and seasons. In German, the days of the week are Montag, Monday, Dienstag, Tuesday, Mittwoch, Wednesday, Donnerstag, Thursday, Freitag, Friday, Samstag, Saturday, and Sonntag, Sunday. The months are January, February, March, April, May, Juni, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And the seasons? Frühling, spring, summer, summer. Herbst, autumn, and winter, winter. You can use these words to talk about your weekly schedule, your favorite season, or even special events throughout the year. For example, am Samstag gehe ich ins Kino, on Saturday I go to the cinema. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos.